Welcome guys, today I am with the Jabra Elite 45H and I will show you how you can connect this headset to your laptop. So at the first we have to focus on this slider. Normally you have to get it like that, so it means that the device is power off. And to enable the pairing mode we have to move this button to this Bluetooth icon until this indicator starts blinking. So let's make it right now. Click, hold, drag, keep holding. It starts blinking on the blue. It means that it's visible to other devices. So put it back, but close to your laptop, and it will be very fast. So open the settings, go for the Bluetooth and devices on the left side, enable Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, click to add device, select Bluetooth, and now just wait until they pops on the list. Okay, just take a look. On my private smartphone they are already here. They are visible. So right now I think that we can just power off Bluetooth and power on back, and click another time to enable Bluetooth to add device, and there it is. Just select your Jabra. Go for the system, go for the sound, and right here you have to be sure that you switch to the external earphones and also to the microphone. So that's how you can make it. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.